Mbukeli wami obekekileyo, siyabulisa siphinde sikubulele ngokuhlala nathi eneneni asinto ngaphandle kwakho ngoba injongo yethu ephambili kukuqinisekisa ukuba ulwazi lokuzela kuloo ndawo ukuyo sesokanye isizathu sokuba ndithi hlala nathi nawe uhlale nathi.
Hey hayi watye wonke.
Shoka.
Watye wonke yazi kuba andilociko ke mna ke sowuthethele yonke into. Hayi ke Mbukeli ngoku ke masithi tsi kulamanqaku alandelayo aquka ezo ziphala phambili. Kanti ke sizaba nodliwano ndlebe kule iyure nabantu ke esingathi into kubana baza kuxhobisa ngako konke okuqhubekayo phambili ke nayo iNSFAS kwaye ke kukhona nezibondiwe ndiyazi kaloku xa twazibondiwe silungisa izisu kuba siyazi into bana hlelo 15 kanti ke namhlanje ikhona into esikuphathele yona ama KK okanti ke zikhona ezemidlalo isimo sezulu dibala ntoni na isendimlo ke ukholosa kalubisi unokanyezi masijonge Mbukeli eziphala phambili.
The main budget deficit has increased by 54.7 billion compared with the 2023 budget.
Umphathiswa wezezimali uEnoch Godongwana uthi zimalunga na-70 izicelo ezisuka koomasipala zokuba kucinywe amatyala abo ka-Eskom ngelixa izicelo ezithe zaphunyezwa zixabisa ngaphezu kwa-56 billion.
Bangladesh got about 30.
Should be out. Taken running back. Rabada's safe hands. Kutsia has another one. And
iProteas zibeke indawo kwindawo kwi-semi-finals emva kokutyatyusha iNew Zealand kwimithi 890.
Umangiti yande baba ziveze. Listen, this is Kenan Nyat and of course your anointed superstar. Listen, ngisekhaya Jikelele la kusekhaya Jikelele. Listen, from Monday to Friday we are on and there's sports, entertainment and everything. Listen, keep on tuning in and may God bless. I love you.
Umphathiswa wezezimali uEnoch Godongwana uthi kulindeleke kuba ityala likarhulumente lithi kratya ngaphaya kwe-6 trillion randi kunyaka mali ka-2025 ukuya ku-26. Umphathiswa ukwathi ukunyuka kweendleko zeenkonzo zamatyala kunyaka uzayo kuza kufikelela ku-805 okanye zithe kratya ku-400 yeebhiliyoni zeerandi. uGodongwana uthi inkcitho karhulumente kwimisebenzi ebalulekileyo yoluntu iza kuchaphazeleka kakhulu ngoba uqoqosho alukhuli ngokukhawuleza ukuxhasa ukunyuka kwenkcitho yamatyala akhoyo. Oku ukuthethe izolo eKapa ngethuba esothula intetho yohlahlo lwabiwo-mali lwaphakathi enyakeni.
Enye yezinto ezibalulekileyo ekukhuleni koqoqosho loMzantsi Afrika kukuqinisekisa ukuba bonke abemi bayakwazi ukubonelelwa ngemfundo eyiyo. Nanjengoko eli lizwe lisakhasa, ingxowa-mali ka-NSFAS yasekwa njengenjongo zokuxhasa abafundi abaphuma kwiintsapho ezihlelelekileyo. Ngelishwa, eli ziko ligutyungelwe yimiba eyahlukeneyo lifumanise ukuba lihlawula abafundi abangekhoyo abangaphaya kwekhulu elinamashumi-50 lamawaka nabachaphazwa njengeziporho xebe. Nangona kunjalo NSFAS iyazikhaba ezi zityholo. Ukufumana impendulo siqhagamshelana nesithethi sika-NSFAS uSlumezi Sikhosana ngeqonga likaZoom. Sikhosana, masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni ngalentseni.
Mangikubingelele Vuyo ngibingelele nababukeli bakho.
Enkosi, uthetha noNadia, igama lami nguNadia.
Oh, unathi engikhuluma naye.
Oh, masingene emxholweni ka-NSFAS. Ingaba kuyinyani na ukuba uNSFAS ubhatala imali engapha kwe-1.5 lamawaka zeerandi ngenyanga kubafundi abangaziwayo?
Cha msasaze akunjalo neze ngoba naku ke isystem engingase ngicacise ukuthi isebenza ngakho. uNSFAS uzothola isicelo kumntwana ukuthi ufuna ukuxhaswa ngemali. Bese ke uNSFAS enza lento esibiza ngokuthi i-financial eligibility check or assessment. Lokho la sihlola khona ukuthi ngabe umfundi uwela ngaphansi kwakhe u350,000 noma abazali bakhe bawela ngaphansi kwakhe u350,000 ukuze sikwazi ukumxhasa. Bese siyamxhasa provisionally. Why sisebenzisa legama elithi provisionally? Sisuke silindele ukuthi umfundi lo owenze isicelo amukelwe futhi aregistare for iprogram eyamukelwe umbuso esikhungweni semfundo sombuso. Ke ngizama ukuyichaza mhlambe nje ngesilungu ukuze izwakale kahle ukuthi before we can pay as NSFAS, the student must have been accepted and registered at a particular institution for a program approved at an approved public institution, not any other institution. So now, until and unless NSFAS ithola i-registration data ngomntwana ayibhadale asikhokhi. So uma kungenzeka ukuthi kukhona isipoki kusho ukuthi kofanele ukuthi isikhungo semfundo sisibonise leso sipoki leso okoba ukuthi mhlawumbe leso sipoki leso silethwa kithi isikhungo semfundo ephakeme ngoba asibhadali singakatholi i-registration data.
Mnumzana uSikhosana, uba niyazikhaba ezizithyolo nibekwa zona nithi ninezicwangciso ezinzulu nenizilandelayo ukuqinisekisa ubana abafundi bafumana imali ngendlela. Kodwa ngaphambili sike sabona umfundi efumana imali engaphaya kwezigidi ngezigidi ezili-14 zerandi. Kuyacaca ukuba ikhona impazamo eyenzekayo apho kuhlawulo lwemali kaNSFAS. Ningabe nithini ngoko?
Umbuzo omuhle kakhulu loyo ngoba imbangela yalokuthi size sicele ama payment aggregation companies ukuthi azosinceda ukusabalalisa imali kubafundi. Bekuyikona ukuthi iNSFAS inesifiso nentshisekelo enkulu ukuthi yazi at any particular time ukuthi imali ifikile kumfundi and kumfundi kufike emalini. Kule case oyibalulayo noma oyivezayo kwaba yilawo ukuthi uma kuthiwa imfundo imali elingana no14 million ise accountini yomunye umfundi, uNSFAS waba sekudeni kakhulu naloko kwenzakalayo. Kwathiwa imali ifike njani kumfundi? Kwatholakala ukuthi thina sithi imali sayinika inyuvesi yathi imali iyinike i-service provider yathi khona iphutha elenzekile ekutheni imali ifike emntwaneni. Kodwa umusa ubuka-ke ngokomthetho esimiswe ngawo i-act yethu naloko esimiselwe kona kwakufanele ukuthi sikwazi ukuyichaza lento kodwa kwanzima ukuyichaza. Yingakho iNSFAS iye yavela nale system ye-direct payment system la umfundi afanele thole khona imali ngo ukuze sazi ukuthi uma engayitholanga yithi esibuzwayo, uma eyitholile ingenelanga yithi esibuzwayo. Ileso sizathu se-accountability nesokwazi ukuthi sikwazi uku-accounta for le imali esenza ukuthi size nale system ye-direct payment.
Siya kunyaka omtsha, unyaka ka2024. Eqaleni konyaka abafundi badla ngoqhankqalaza sibona itoyitoyi kukhalelwa uNSFAS akayifakanga ngexesha imali. Ingaba mhlambi sizayibona lonto nakulo nyaka uzayo okanye zeziphi izicwangciso enizibekileyo uqinisekisa into yobana izinto zihamba ngendlela kulo nyaka siya kuwo?
Kuningi esikufundile njengoba ubona siye samisa lama flagship programs wethu awu3. Ngikhuluma ngani na msakazi? Ngikhuluma nge-automation and digitization of our systems so that uma umuntu apply akwazi ukuthi apply online kumthathe nje u5 minutes ukuthi apply, and uma kuumuntu o-applya esekelwa isasa akwazi ukuthi within 72 hours azumphumela ukuthi sime kuphi, siyamxhasa noma simxhasi. Bese makuza la enkokhelweni sikhokhele indawo yokuhlala directly, sikhokhele umfundi imali directly uma ese approviwe noma emukelwe njengomuntu ofanele asekele. Lokho ukuvimbela lento esiyibonile kulonyaka neminyaka edlulile la bekade uNSFAS ezawuthatha imali ayinikeze amanyuvesi noma ama-colleges bese ama-colleges alindeleke ukuthi adlulisele imali kubafundi. Uma ama-colleges athize engakwazi ukuthi adlulise le mali bese icala lithweswa uNSFAS ukuthi imali yakwa-NSFAS ayifikanga, ingakho umntwana elele kwi-pavement, imali yakwa-NSFAS ayifikanga, ingakho umntwana engenawo ukudla. Manje sakubona lokho ukuthi kuyinkinga kithina ukuthi kube njalo, ingakho esikwenzile ukuthi sizozama ngamandla nangesibindi ukuthi unyaka ozayo icala esingathwesa lona lokuthi imali ayifikanga kumfundi uma sesim-approvile noma sesimemukele njenge-beneficiary ingenzeki. And kanti futhi-ke ngingakusho ukuthi abafundi abasha abasafuna uxhaso lwemali kuzofanele ukuthi babe on the lookout for i-advert or rather i-announcement ezokwenziwa uminister kungakapheli amaviki ambadlwana la ezayo njengoba kunguNovember kanje ukuthi ba-apply on time so that kungabi nenkinga unyaka ozayo ukuthi baya kuphi.
Into ebangela bana abantu bayikholelwe lento yeziporho ezibhadalwa i-1.5 into yokubana abantwana bayayifumana imali iphinde bangayifumani ngenyanga ezithile. Ungahlomla uthini ngoko ngalomba?
Iyona into esisebenzana nayo kakhulu leyo kwezinye indawo kube ukungazwisisi ukuthi i-system isebenza kanjani. La kuthola ukuthi phakathi kuka-NSFAS mhlawumbe nenyuvesi siyakwazi ukubona ukuthi umfundi uyena, kodwa bese ukuthi laba abadlulisa imali uma befuna ukusinceda ukuthi simbone ngempela ukuthi lo mfundi okukhulunywa ngayo umfundi ophilayo ophefumulayo, lokho esikubiza nge-KYC, know your client, la kufanele ukuthi umfundi athathe isithombe njengoba uyayibona abanye basebenzisa ama-fingerprint ema-bank, abanye bathathe izithombe kanjalo. Loyo muntu uma kangaveli le mali izovela imbonise la ibonakala ukuthi ikhona ngoba ngokubhalwe phansi ukhona lo mfundi, kodwa ngoba sisuke sifuna ukumbona naye ephila makangakakwenzi lokho esikubiza nge-KYC okuku-verifier uzothola ukuthi imali yakhona iyabambeka ayiphumi azavela obala.
Njengoba uAndile Nongoko esusiwe esihlalweni soba ingqonyela ka-NSFAS, lonto izawuthetha ukuthini kwisibonelelo sonyaka ozayo?
Angeke ukukhinyabezeke ukususwa kukaNongoko njengomphathi we-NSFAS ngoba kukhona umphathi ophethe okwesikhashana owenzayo ukuthi izinto ziqhubeke ngendlela ekufanele ziqhubeke ngayo. Naye umnumzana Nongoko unethuba ngokomthetho ukuthi angathatha izinyathelo ezithize uma kukhona ukungeneliseki, kodwa ke ngokuya kubafundi akukho okuzothinteka. Umfundi uzothola imali yakhe ngesikhathi esifanele, namanyuvesi sixoxa nawo nama-colleges ngendlela efanele, akukho okuzokhinyabezeka.
Mnumzana uSikhosana, siyakholwa ba konke kuzawuhamba ngokohlelo. Enkosi kakhulu ngexesha lakho ngalentseni.
Manibe nosuku lomnandi.
Enkosi kakhulu. Lowo ke mbukeli ibinguSilumezi Sikhosana osisithethi sika-NSFAS nekuliziko elityholwa ngokubonelela abafundi abangaphaya kwekhulu lamawaka kodwa abaziwa. Hayi ke siyathemba uba izawukhawuleza ilungiseke loo nto phambi konyaka omtsha. Okwangoku masithi qhwi evenkileni, siyabuya kungekudala.
Angalala endleleni amaqobokazana yazi kunyembelekile mbukeli ngenene kunyembelekile ngalentseni ngumbono omxesibe njengoko kaloku amabhokobhoko afike agalela pha kwisikhululo se-OR Tambo njengokubona mbukeli ngoku nazi bhasi mbukeli zisindleke ukuyogaleleka kaloku kwelasePitoli ndiyaqiniseka mbukeli into yokubana ngaphakathi noba liyatsho igwijo kaloku mbukeli yimincili ngenene intshinga ibuyile apha eMzantsi Afrika njengoko ke mbukeli besingise pha eUnion Buildings ulindile kaloku umongameli weli uCyril Ramaphosa apho kaloku bezamnikeza intshinga yeli loMzantsi Afrika uyazibona mbukeli nezikuta zikhona kanti ke mbukeli ndiyathanda into yobana ndikrobisa ukuba isithethi se-TMPD umnumzana uIsaac utshilo wathi ke kuzoba khona uthotho lwemoto ininzi ke lwezitalato pha kwiPretoria CBD Ekhaya iHatfield kunye nayo iSunnyside zizawuchaphazeleka kakhulu njengoko ke umngcelele udlula kodwa ke izitalato ke ziyakuvulela ukugcwala ngoko nangoko emva ngoko bayabongozwa ke mbukeli abaqhubi into yokubana noko babhekele xa kufikwa kwiPretoria CBD ziyabuya mbukeli ziyabuya ngenene ndiqinisekile ke nawe ababukeli ke okanye abalandeli bazo iSpringboks sele bafike bagaleleka kwelasePitoli imincili ngenene mbukeli kwaye ke umngcelele uza kuqala pha kwihotele yaseSouthern Sun kwikona yendlela iSteve Biko kunye ke nesitalato sasePretoria kwaye ke adlulele kwizakhiwo zomdabaniso kanti ke mbukeli nentatheli ezejelo okanye iziko le-SABC sele zingxangile pha ePitoli kungoku nje sizawuqhagamshelana naye uMaseko naye ophayana masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni Ekhaya Jikelele yimincili luchulumanco khawusixelele nje usinikeze umfanekiso kwenzeka ntoni njengangoku apho ukhoyo
Sibingelele umsakazi siphinde sibingelele nabalaleli ekhaya emakhaya njengoba ubona nje okwamanje silana ePitoli komkhulu baye uhulumeni waseningizimu Afrika ilapho umengameli wesizwe uCyril Ramaphosa ezokwamukela khona amabhokobhoko abuye nayo ke itrophy yayo iWeb Ellis lapho abawine khona umklomelo womhlaba wonke wayo ibhola lombhoxo bazofika lana emini bazothola khona imklomelo abazobe beyinika yena ke umengameli wesizwe uCyril uMatamela Ramaphosa umongameli kanye futhi naye ke ukapteni wamabhokobhoko usiya Kholisi kanye futhi naye ke umqeqeshi wawo amabhokobhoko kanye futhi nalona ophethe ezemidlalo phecelezi sports director uRasi Erasmus bazobe behlelana kanye nongqongqoshe wezemidlalo lana eningizimu Afrika uZizi kodwa ukuze bazokwamukela wona ke amabhokobhoko kodwa ke uyabona futhi nabo ke abadlali bamabhokobhoko bazobe behleli lana ukuze bazoqala bezoletha yona ke le trophy kumongameli wesizwe uCyril Ramaphosa lapho khona futhi bazohamba bephinde betholeke nezitifiketi ukuthi benze kahle basebenza kakuhle phesheya ukuze bewina yona ke le Rugby World Cup uyayibona izitifiketi abazobe beyithola bona ke abadlali bamabhokobhoko oCheslin Kobe oSiya Kholisi kanye futhi nabo ke olukhanyo noma Phimpi akade bedlala kuyona le World Cup no Elizabeth okade uyena umunye umdlali walaba akade beyile kwamabhokobhoko no Damian Williams bazothola zona ke lezi certificate ephuma kuyena umongameli wesizwe uCyril Ramaphosa kodwa ke angikho ngedwa nginaye ke uza kwethu lana umzwandile Mbejo okuyena umdidiyeli wezepolitiki kuyona iSABC Mbeje umongameli uzokwamukela amabhokobhoko namhlanje yini singayilindela kakhulukazi sazi ukuthi akubona koqala ewakamukela lana komkhulu kwayo uhulumeni ngo2019 ngenkathi beyiwinile le ndondo futhi eJapan waphinde wabamukela lana eUnion Buildings
sibonga kakhulu samukele njengoba wazi ukuthi umdlalo ezemidlalo ziyabahlanganisa abantu njengoba asho uMadiba ukuthi uma ukuthi sidlala ngendlela ephezulu abantu bayawazi ukuthi behlangana into ezokwenza umongameli ke namhlanje ukuzoqhakambisa iqhaza elibanjwe ile genge yerugby ngempela enze umsebenzi omkhulu uzokhumbula phela ukuthi ke iNew Zealand kuphela eyake yavikela indebe yayo ukuthi siyivikele kusho khona ukuthi sinomfutho njengezwe uzobahlonipha ke ukhumbule phela njengoba umongameli umele thina sonke ukube kuyenzeka ngabe baya kumuntu wonke ukuzosho ukuthi besimele nina kodwa ngoba sinomuntu phela osimele okumongameli uyena ke egameni labonke abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ukuzothi siyanihlonipha siyabonga ngento eniyenzile niye nakhuphula umoya weNingizimu Afrika ngoba uyazi sinezinselelo eziningi ke siyizwe kumnandi uma ukuthi kukhona okuhle okwenzekayo ezweni singahlali nje sikhuluma ngezinto ezimbi
mawubheka kwezemidlalo kakhulukazi mawubheke laba abadlala ibhola irugby umbhoxo nalaba ade bedlala icricket okwamanje abaphesheya kwelwandle nabo futhi abenza kahle umongameli uthe hayi mawukuthi bayafika kwi-final yayo icricket nakhona uyaya ukuyobabuka yipi indima ezemidlalo ezidlalayo eNingizimu Afrika ukuze sibumanise isizwe
selokhu amabhokobhoko awina abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ngokuhlukana kwabo bakhombisa okukhulu ukujabula bakhombisa okukhulu ukuzethemba futhi lokho okusho ukuthina okusho ukuthi isport kumbe ezemidlalo ziyabahlanganisa abantu ziyababumbanisa abantu yingakho ngishilo ukuthi naphezulu ukuthi sineyinselelo siyasazi ukuthi kukhona kodwa ke sisizwe okusenza sibe munye yingakho ukubalulekile umongameli ukuthi makuthi bayaqhubeka abafana bethu eIndia bayiwina kumbe bayafika kwi-final njengoba esimele phela kuzomela nakhona eyekhona nakhona uyobanika ugqozi ngoba uhamba kwakhe uhambela thina sonke ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngempela uma ngabe singaqhubeka kanje futhi lokho kuzophinde kunike umfutho ngisho nebafana uyakhumbula ukuthi ngonyaka ozayo siyodlala iAfrican Cup of Nations eIvory Coast uma ukuthi senza kahle ngempela izwe lizogcina lijabule
kodwa laba bebhola ngathola bengenza kangcono nje njengoba ubabona bentengantenga kulezi insuku ngoba uyabona ukuthi iqakamba kanye nebhola lombhoxo bahamba phambili laba bafana
phela uzothola ukuthi uma bebonoza kwabo ukuthi khona ukuhle abakwenzayo nabo bazothola umfutho wokuthi bezame asingalahleli ithawo la kwamanje
sibonge umzwandile Mbetsho kuyena ke umdidiyeli wezepolitiki lana SABC silindeleke ukuthi bona ke abafana bamabhokobhoko befike lana ngabo9 ukuze bazothola lemkomelo yabo bazobe beyithola kumongameli wesizwe uCyril Ramaphosa azophinde futhi ke akhulume nabo lana ebabonge ngegqazu kanye negqathu abalithathile ukuthi bathathe isithunzi seNingizimu Afrika besise phezulu kakhulu ngokuthi bewina yona ke le World Cup yawo umbhoxo siyazi ke umholi wabo uSiyakholisi okuyena ke manje osedlala phesheya kwezilwandle odlala khona eFrance siyazi no Cheslin Colby umbonile sekuyophela imzuzu yayo igame bamkhiphile ngekhadi eliyelo bambeka ngaphandle ubephatheke kabuhlungu kakhulu ebona ukuthi hayi engazi ukuthi iNew Zealand isizohlula kodwa ke abafana bagcine benqobile siyazi ke uSiyakholisi kulezi insuku ufaka nalo ke ijezi layo nalo iqakamba layo icricket eNingizimu Afrika ukuze ozonika ukapteni wayo icricket uThemba Bavuma ithemba ukuthi nabo bengakwazi ukunqoba lapha yana eIndia njengoba nabo benqobile eFrance bewina yona ke le Cricket World Cup sebewina okwasi4 manje ilona qembu lokuqala emhlabeni lokuthi liwina yona le trophy yeWebb Ellis ka4 kuyona iWorld Cup
ngenene Maseko angalala endleleni amaqobokazana yazi kunyembelekile siyabona ibhasi sele sizendleleni zisuka pha kwelase OR Tambo zisingise apho ingaba mhlambe kulindeleke kuba bafike ngeliphi ixesha kwaye ndiyathanda ukuva ukrobise nombukeli ngaba indlela zime njani kuba kaloku xa kusenzeka kanje siyaqonda into kubana kuba khona umthamo ezindleleni ungathi indlela noko iclear ngoku ilindele amabhokobhoko
hayi indlela ivulelekile okwamanje ilindele wona amabhokobhoko ukuthi afike lana komkhulu kahulumeni phecelezi eUnion Buildings ukuze bezobona umongameli wesizwe uMatamela uCyril Ramaphosa ngoba ngaphambi kokuthi begcwale izinkalo zaseNingizimu Afrika yonke imigwaqo baye kuChurch Street baye eSunnyside besuke lapho behambe beye Soweto kuVilakazi Street kumele beqale lana kumongameli wesizwe ukuze bazotshengisa inhlonipho ukuze batshengise ukuthi njengoba kade behambile bayaphesheya kwezilwandle bayozingela babuye nayo ke inyamazane sebezomnika ke umholi wabo uMatamela uCyril Ramaphosa bathi hayi mongameli sihambile sayozingela kozingeleka nansi inyamazane esibuye nayo sesingajabula ke njengesizwe sidle sonke sijabule sibumbane kube nobumbano eNingizimu Afrika njengoba ubona iNingizimu Afrika ineyinselela eziningi njengoba umkhokheli wayo ama-Springboks uSiyakholisi ethi ukwina kwabo layo le World Cup yayo umbhoxo kusho okukhulu eNingizimu Afrika ngoba isizwe sethu sibhekana nezinkulu ingqinamba zobupha ingqinamba zenkohlakalo ingqinqaba zokuthi abantu badla imbuya ngothi nanokuthi imisebenzi ayikho eNingizimu Afrika. Lokhu ke kubanika ithemba ukuthi ngelinye ilanga kuyolunga. Mawubheka nje uMaphimpi okuyena oyedwa umdlalo wamabhoxo ubheke la isuka khona, mawubheka nomlando weNingizimu Afrika wendlala nobupha kanye nenhlupheko, ubheka ukuthi uyena kubona bonke labadlali bamabhoxo akade ephuma esimweni esinzima kakhulu. Ubheke uSiya Kolisi la iphuma khona eZwide, naye isimo apho akhule ngaphansi kwaso. Ubheke uMbonambi naye isimo akhule ngaphansi kwaso. Basubheka abanye abadlali abaqhamuka endaweni eyithe ukuphucuzeka eNingizimu Afrika. Ubheke o100 Pollard owayifunda eWaterkloof Boys High. Ubheka ukuthi bona baphile impilo ethe ukuba ngcono kunalabo abantsundu. Mase uthatha ke umqoqo uRasi Erasmus okuyena umdidiyeli wezemidlalo kuona ama-Springboks. Ubheke iqhaza alidlalile lokuthi kubumbanwe kwibhola lombhoxo eNingizimu Afrika, kakhulukazi ubheka umlando wakhe esifundazweni sase-Eastern Cape nabafana bakaWatson, ngendlela iqhaza abalithatha ngakhona ukuthi kube khona ubumbano, kube khona zonke izinhlaka, abantu abamnyama, abantu abamhlophe bedlale bonke ibhola lombhoxo ukuze kuzoba khona ushintsho eNingizimu Afrika, kakhulukazi kuyona lo mdlalo wezombhoxo.
Unyanisile kuba kaloku nolwadluwano ndlebe ubunalo nayo intatheli yezopolitiko umnumzana Mzwandile Mbeje ebenqina lamazwi wakho kanye sithi ukubana xa sijonga ezemidlalo apha eMzantsi Afrika ngenene into esiyibonayo lubumbano kuba kaloku kuhlangana amazwe ngamazwe abhiyozela thina into ethi wena Maseko nakubeni nje zikhona ingxaki esijamelene nazo sisizwe, kodwa xa sijonga ezemidlalo siba nochulumanco kakhulu kuba siyabona into okubana nakhona kwi-Cricket World Cup eIndia abafana baze kakuhle zimitsi ezi-190. Maseko, masibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho kwaye siyathemba into okubana le mini yanamhlanje izaba yimpumelelo kwaye ke sizawuphinde futhi siqhagamshelane nawe ekuhambeni kwethuba. Enkosi kakhulu. Right, mbukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele, njengoko ubona sisaqhuba mbukeli kuyabonakala into okubana amabhokobhoko ayakhatshelwa kaloku ngayo iMetropolis njengoko ubona mbukeli. Kuyatsho ke mbukeli into okubana bazawufika phaa kwelasePitoli ngecala emva kwentsimbi yesithoba 9:30. Ngenene namhlanje mbukeli kuzowenziwa umlando njengoko kaloku esiqinisekisile naye kaloku Maseko into okubana bazawunikezelwa i-certificate ngomsebenzi omhle abawenzayo. Benikezwa ke nguye umongameli weli uCyril Ramaphosa. Amabhokobhoko phambili ngoku mbukeli masithi qhwipha evenkileni iqiniseka awugqusha lazi ubukele iEkhaya Jikelele. Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi sasibukele apha Ekhaya Jikelele kwinkqubo ndaba eqaqambisa ulwimi lwemveli SABC lihaye. Kanti ngoku singena kwisiqendu sethu. Mna ndiyasithanda nawe mbukeli ndiqinisekile into okubana selusithanda izibondiwe. Kanti ke namhlanje sijonga icake. Kanti ke icake ke ziyinxalenye ebaluleke kakhulu kwimibhiyozo ngemibhiyozo. Umzekelo ke kwimitshato, amatheko, ndibala ntoni na. Ayinguye wonke ke umntu onobuchule bokuba enze icake ezimnandi eziginyisa ingwiqi. Kanti ke yena uSina ngomnye wabantu abanabo obubuchule. uSina ke wakhulela eMupupane kumantla ePitoli. Uthwese ke isidanga sobunjineli ngombane pha ePretoria East College of Engineering. Uqale ubhaka ke ngonyaka ka2015 ekhuthazwa nguPulane Mtsigxebe ongasekhoyo nowamfundisa ukubhaka ngaphambi kokuba ayishiye ilimiweyo ngo2017. Ngoku ke uqhuba ishishini lakhe lokubhaka elibizwa ngokuba iSina's Exquisite Cakes. uSina ke ulapha estudio ukuze asingcamlise ikeki yakhe. Hey kodwa ke mbukeli ingathi asizongcamla ncam kodwa ke sizawuncamla ngezinye indlela. Sina masikubulisa sikwamkele enkqubeni.
Thank you for having me.
Sibulela thina.
Ngiyabonga.
And yazi uze ngemini emnandi sigqiba ubhiyozela amabhokobhoko esendleleni esingise ePitoli. Ngoku ngamakeki uze ngexesha eli right. Utshintshe njani kubunjineli bombani wathi gqi ekekini okanye is it some cake engineering type?
Yeah, this is an engineering type. Mina ngiqale wenza amakhekhe ka-2015. The reason why I started doing cakes, I lost my baby ka 2009. So instead of doing the engineering, ngafunda amakhekhe le pulani mtsi. Then I started doing the cakes. Then I started doing all kind of designer cakes. That's how I started doing my business. Yeah.
Siyeva into yobana ubhakela ne-corporate gifts, vocational training, ne-team building. Into ethi ngoku uzibandakanya neenkampani ezinkulu. Ndifuna ukuqonda into yobana uzibandakanya njani ke ngoku udibanise i-cake no-corporate?
Yeah. Remember, if there's a corporate meeting emsebenzini, like if we come here more SAB and we have a meeting, then you have a function.
And
remember,
we have a function right after the show.
Function.
Yes.
So normally what we do, there's the bento cakes that we do. We deliver to the corporate companies like Busita. Those are the companies they trainee. So we go and deliver the cakes. But they request for deliver the cakes, then we deliver those things.
Wow, amazing. Ndayithanda lento ibalulayo bana because funeka upartnerishe nathi apha ekhaya Jikelele. Siba nee-functions, sibe nama-birthdays, sibe na-ini. So wena uyipartner yethu apha ekhaya Jikelele. And ndiyaqonda into yobana enye yeenjongo eziphambili zale nkampani yakho kukuba ulwe nentlupheko. Just yesterday bekukho i-budget speech senziwa nguye umphathiswa u-Enoch Kodongwana. And kuyabonakala into yobana xa uthi uyeva intlupheko kusekude ekungqinibeni sisazoluva ulwamvila lwentlupheko apha eMzantsi Afrika. Ukhawulelana njani nalo meko uqinisekisa into yokubana uyala ukubheka phambili?
With regards to that, remember everything now is very expensive. So we try to reduce the cost. Not everybody will be doing like body thin cake, which are more expensive. So we come up with the cake body normal cakes, we call it body mini cakes. So those mini cakes, those are budget cakes. Everyone can be able to buy it. We've got a shop available daily. You can go and you tenga ama cake lapo. So yeah, that's where everything is with regards to the for budget. We've got all kind of designer normal cakes that you can be able to afford to buy it. Yes.
Enye into ethe yasenza sibe nomdla ngebali lakho kukuba awuzenzeli kuphela wena kodwa ngokuqala balibanzi sithe awukwazi ungabikho apha ekhaya Jikelele. Ungathi mhlambe usikrobise kumsebenzi owenzayo nangendlela mhlambe ozisa uphuhliso gqebe kwingingqi yakho.
Can you repeat that again?
No, bendisho ukuthi I mean you do a lot of imisebenzi kule ndawo ohlala kuyo. So ziyafuna ukuva ngomsebenzi owenzayo where you help your community.
Yes, I help a lot of communities, especially for young people that are not working. So normally I hire those kids so that they won't be able to go on the street without having any income. So normally I hire those who went to culinary school, and when they finish to culinary school, they can come and work with me.
Yazi njengoba sithetha nje ndiziqinisile oko ndiqonda uba andifuna ujonga phansi because ivumba lona iyandikhweba lale keki iwes lena i-favorite color yami and xa ndiyijongile ingathi kwamna lo ndiyile cherry on top yile nto engaphezulu
blueberry.
Yes. Khawusixelele ngeze zibiliboco eziginyisa ingwiqi oze nazo napha namhlanje ndifuna siqale ngale lapha phambi kwami.
Lapha i-blueberry. So amakhekhe it's a sponge with the blueberry filling. Inside we use the Italian meringue inside. Then the outside we use vanilla fresh cream with blueberry filling.
Lena nje kuba nje ndifuna ukugcina immorals zami, otherwise if besisekoneni ngiyokudala ndincokozile. Masize kulo mhlobo kazi.
This one is chocolate. People who are having diabetic, who doesn't like too much sugar. So this one is the best cake that you can eat so that you won't be able to have your sugar level up.
And I must say, I mean, the smell is divine. Nalapha ku tall, dark and handsome. Ndiyayithanda kakhulu. Zawuziva zombini. Siyabona into yobana mhlambe so xa ndifika kwindawo yakho ingaba mhlambe ndenza i-order uba okay ndifuna ikeyiki ebumila kunje okanye ndifika sezenziwe okanye both options are available.
Both options are available. You can go to the shop, go shopong. When you get to the shop, you can get this mini cakes and normal cakes that are available on a daily basis. Then if you want a designer cake, you need to make a 7 days prior to make an order.
Siyaqonda yobana kudala indlela kwakwenziwa ngayo wawufumanisa into yokubana xa kwenziwa ikeyiki kuba ne-theme ezithile. I mean, over the years, ungathi mhlambe oko ke kwatshintsha njani?
You know, recently, because the economy is going down in South Africa, you can see people, they no longer ordering like the designer cakes. They will actually go for this normal cakes to go and buy for the shop, especially if you're not celebrating anything. So if you're only celebrating at home, or you just go to the shop and buy this normal cake and celebrate at home with the family.
You know, it's such a victory, and I mean, impumelelo enkulu for bana apho ukhoyo ube kanti une shop ethi wena, considering the economic tough times esikuzo. I mean, xa uthi uyajonga, obviously ayizange ibe indlwane iyanethi into yokubana ube uzenzela ishop apho uthengisa khona ikeke. Siyaqonda bana khona abantu ababukeleyo, mhlawumbe umuntu uyaqonda uba unaso isakhono sokwenza into, qha ke ngokuba ndiqala njani, funeke mhlawumbe benemali enkulu ukuze ndiqale. Ndiyathanda into yokubana wabelane ngamava wakho kuba kuthiwa ke xa seluyihambile indlela kulula into yobana ucebise omnye umntu. Kubabukele basemakhaya baqonda uba kukhona ishishini mhlawumbe endifuna ukuliqala, what is the first step?
It's very easy. You don't have to have that huge money to start the business. So immediately if a person at deposit, that money at deposit, you just go and buy the material. You bake one cake. That commission, you buy another ingredient. Then you start building your clientele while you only one client bought the cake. So you don't need to have a huge money to start the business.
And how important is financial discipline? Because omnye uzayifumana deposit already ke ngoku say move out of indlela ebecwangcise ngayo because ubona imali ba umbone seyikabela ngapha kocingo. How important is financial discipline xa ufuna usustain ishishini lakho?
You need to have a bank account. You know, the client will deposit the money to your bank account. Then once the money is in your bank account, you cannot use it for anything. It's going to buy only the cake material. That's it. So when you need like body funding, then you know you have all the statement that can assist with getting the funding. So it's going to be easy for you to get like body funding and everything.
Hey, ndine-temptation yaziqanjonge ezikeyiki kwaye ke esisohlwayo I think xa ufuna ukohlwayo umntu sisohlwayo endiye ndazifumana namhlanje. Abantu xa befuna ukukulandela besithi jonga siyafuna into yobana usenzele ikeyiki kuba nam phofu funyathi ndizonantsika. So ndifuna uqonda uba ufumaneka.
We are available in all the social media. We are available on Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. We are Sinus Exquisite Cakes, and our contact details is 072-0288-087.
Ndiye ndahletyelwa kuba omnye wabaqulunqi bethu apha enkqubeni ubhiyozela imini yakhe yokuzalwa namhlanje. So wena yazi xa kuthiwa nje uhamba kakuhle sibhiyozela amabhokobhoko, uza kakuhle sibhiyozela imini yokuzalwa yomqulunqi wethu uzwakele. Enkosi kakhulu ngowabelana nathi apha enkqubeni. Siyathemba into yobana after the show sizawungena ke sophele.
We're gonna cut the cake and eat. You need to taste the cake.
I need to, because ndinqophozela icala lisecala yabona apha iye yakekela. So ndibane ndiziminqa kakhulu icala elikekeleyo. Enkosi kakhulu Sina, sikunqwenelela okuhle kodwa kumsebenzi wakho, sithi ntinga ntakandini kungabikho kwanto eza kunqanda kule nto oyenzayo.
Sibongile kakhulu.
Mbukeli ixesha lifikile lokuba sithi qhwipha evenkileni sizawuthi sithi kube mnandi kube phaya kuba isisu sivulekile sithenga masithi qhwe evenkileni wena ke ungatya ngamehlo thina sizawutya ngomlomo besetha naye usina kaloku osuka pha kwi-Sinner's Exquisite Cakes esabela nathi ke ngohambo lwakhe lweshishini lokubhaka. Inkosi ngokuhlala nathi usasibukele apha ekhaya Jikelele yo ayisemnandi keki imbukeli oko ndimunca intuba qiniseka into yokubana uyamlandela kumakhasi onxibelelwano usina asoze mbukeli uzisole kanti ke xa sihlabela mgama mbukeli umbhali wemidlalo yeqonga uzongezile zengele uzakubonisa ke umdlalo wakhe ebutsheni benyanga izayo othi ke the Apartheid Museum phake eJoburg Theatre icandelo lolutsha kunye nophuhliso loluntu limnike ithuba lokuba abhale alawule abonise lo mdlalo sinaye ke apha kumagumbi ethu osasazo uza kusinabisela banzi ngalo mdlalo zongezile masikubulise sikwamkele ekhaya Jikelele unjani
Ukhona unjani sisi
siyaphila nathi enkosi engaphambi kokuba ke singene kumxholo wethu namhlanje kumuntu mhlambe ongakulandeliyo ungazichaza uthi ungubani
Mna ndinguzongezile Jeffrey Junior Zengele I'm from a West Rand, Ekhaya, so I'm a writer, director, and an actor. So I'm mostly I'm focused with theatre currently.
Yeah.
Some been extending I with filming, but the focus I call writing with theatre because I feel like theatre it's life for me. Yonke into iqale nje with theatre, performing, acting, the confidence, everything. Ngathi singaqala with theatre kulapho ibuild kakhona it's the mother of art I can say theatre
the mother of art and I mean ndiyayithanda kakhulu lento ithetha into yokubana ikwakha nokuzethemba lento siyibonayo sime phambi kwayo apha ekhaya Jikelele I mean your passion for art and I mean ukuba ubonise ubhale uthini ide yabe kanti iyafezeka njengoko kaloku uzoba nomdlalo weqonga the Apartheid Museum kha usityebisele ngayo nje uba ithini kanye kube siyaqonda into yobana iza kubonisa kule nyanga izayo pha eJoburg Theatre.
The Apartheid Museum is about the history of South Africa. From apartheid until democracy. But the show is not only about history of apartheid, but it's more about being self-conscious.
Self-conscious.
Yes. And also about how important is a dream and how we interpret dreams also. Because kubalulekile ebomini ukuthi umuntu abe ne vision ebomini. Amaphupho they lead us somewhere. So I can say it's a message also. Yes.
Powerful one. I mean, Jemba, the title itself, the Apartheid Museum.
Yes.
And then zamucinga mhlambe engqondweni yam xa uthi apartheid vele ucinga ela xesha le oppression and beningathanda nje usityebisele into yobana kule nto ithe wayibhala kulo mdlalo weqonga how are you highlighting the apartheid in this modern age?
I'd say ukufunda from the past. Yes, because we need to learn from our past. We are not our past, but we learn from where we come from. So ingalonto leo not only ububi obwenzakele okanye ubhlungu bebavela mandulo, but iveza nakhona ubuhle bebavela because they were musicians, they were artists dala bebethetha about this apartheid, about oppression bekhona, and it was building unity amongst abantu abamnyama and kuvela nalonto futhi art futhi in the middle of this, in the center of a show.
Yeah.
Yes.
And unyanisile because ngela xesha le apartheid we had abantu ababhalayo, we had abantu abenza imiboniso, detailing la events, hence sikwazi into yokubana nakubeni sasingekho but siyakwazi ubukela amaqonga athile sithi oh okay into ibisenzeka lena so ngenene uye wabe kanti ufumana nenkxaso esuka pha kwi youth and community development ingathi lonto ithetha ukuthini kuwe?
I would say ukhona umuntu okudala khala afuna opportunity and then kufike ixesha apho ungacinganga ukuthi lingafika and then uyanikezwa. That's what happened. From 2017 I've been applying, trying to get my work out there, and I've been rejected so many times. I-rejection yakhona, it was me being taken through a journey ukuthi ndifunde. Not ukuthi ngizibethe and beat myself up ukuthi okay andifumananga opportunity. But ithe xa kufika 2022, yes, later 2022, came an opportunity, proposal, Joburg Theatre.
Wow.
And babaze nama theme, and I chose this specific theme, the history of South Africa. And I was like, oh, why not? Why not talk about my history? Upon ndisuka khona, I understand. And it was quite an experience writing about history of South Africa, because I did a research, and there were a lot of things that I've realized. Research is important. It is very important, because until I did my own research and I took an opportunity to write, and they made a proposal and they loved it.
Wow, so I mean, it's safe to say congratulations, congratulations. Siyavuyisana nawe Ekhaya Jikelele. And njengoba ushare story sakho usithi nobana phakathi kwemicelimngeni othe wajamelana nayo yingumba we rejection. And esingathi nobana popular kakhulu in the entertainment industry. Unqonqoze uvalwe, unqonqoze uvalwe. But for you, that rejection was direction. Zange ume uthi hayi ke ndirejectiwe manhlale phansi. Kodwa, it was an opportunity for you into bana ufundi bana what can I do better. Ndiyathanda ukuva banzi ngemicelimngeni ongathi mhlambe kule theatre and art space othi ujongene nayo kwaye ukhawulela kanjani nayo uqinisekisa into bana okay, from this point ndizawenza kanje ndingenzi kanje. No, the challenges that you'd say you go through, I mean, in this art space. I mean, you mentioned that rejection was one of them, but you used that rejection as an opportunity for you to grow. So what are some of the challenges that you'd say you go through as an artist in this space of e-art? Yeah.
Yeah. The challenges engihlangabezana nazo. Angikho sure.
Okanye zininzi right.
Zininzi, but I can't say ukuthi they are breaking me down because of, I can say I'm mentally fit from a past time. Yang ndaziqalela ukuthi whatever that comes, let me just accept and learn from it. I would say first thing is first, financially. Finance, from traveling from one space to another, taking care of yourself. Ukuhlangana nabantu, coming here also, it's a imali. So that's the first challenge. So, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure, I mean, that gypsy and la pose, I mean, for sure, ujongemva. But kulento ibalula into bana you are mentally fit. It's like noba into nezayo zingafika izaqhwithi kodwa ndimile. So awuzijongi as challenges, yet wena uzijonga as a challenger, which is quite powerful. Abantu ke abafuna ukubona lo mboniso kanye lo mdlalo weqonga bafumana phi ingcombolo ezithe vetshe?
Ku Facebook, ku Instagram. Bangangena ku www.joburgtheatre.com. Yonke information ikhona apho. Banganilandela ku Facebook na ku Instagram Broad Media Works. Broad Media Works. So yonke information ikhona apho. Almost every day I share about le piece and the stage at Joburg Theatre.
So therefore bakwazi into bana bayapost mabaqiniseke babapha.
Na kanjani.
Qaba nje amazwe enkuthazo ongawaphosa kumbukeli othi mhlambe ngokuyena seyifikele kwinqanaba loba anikezele kulonto ebethi kanti uyayenza. Uthi namhlanje ndizibeka phansi intambo. Amazwe kumkhuthaza bavuka zivuthulule athini?
Discipline. Into engayithetha nje. Discipline nokubamba ixesha, it is very important. That's why kuthiwa time is imperative. Konke apho uyakhona ixesha libalulekile. Yeah, discipline. If you are disciplined, uzihlonipha nawe, uhlonipha abanye abantu, I mean, yonke into izawuhambela kakuhle.
Yonke into izakuhambela kakuhle, but
nokukholelwa kwakhona kwinto oyenzayo, because you can say whatever that you want to say, but if you don't have faith in what you are doing, kwenzele exactly.
Zongezile masibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho bayatsho eXhoseni into bana xabisa ixesha nalo lixabise enkosi kakhulu kwaye sikunqonelela okuhle kodwa kulomdlalo weqongo zaba nawo sithi makuphumelele kube mhlophe.
Ndiyabulela.
Right, imbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele lo ke besithetha naye nguye umbhali weqonga, umdlali weqonga kaloku othi the Apartheid Museum uZongezile Zengele. Qiniseka ke mbukeli into kubana uqhusha lazi sewubhatala nje amatyala usabukele inkqubo yakho oyithanda kunene iEkhaya Jikelele.